In this video, I will show you how to reset a password for a user account. A password reset is required when a user forgets their password or when the account is blocked after 3 consecutive failed login attempts. In such cases, the administrator must reset the password and share the temporary password with the user. The user can then create a new password from the login page. Let's look at the steps. To reset a password, open the user screen by navigating to Home, then Admin, User Setup, and select Users. The list of active users will appear on the screen. Locate the respective user whose password needs to be reset and click the Edit icon. In the User Profile tab, click the Reset Password button. A success message will appear displaying a temporary password. The same password will also be sent to the user's registered email address. You can now share this temporary password with the user. Using this password, the user can log in and reset their password. Now let's see how the user can log in using the temporary password and create a new password. On the login page, enter the temporary password in the password field and click Login. The fields to create a new password will then appear. Enter the new password in the New Password and Confirm Password fields, and click Save. Once saved, the new password will be successfully created. You can now log in again using the newly created password. Thank you.